Bitcoin money in a real sense explicitly has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, or so they fundamentally thought, which by and large is genuinely critical. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $231.28 in an actually for the most part significant manner and a very large manner. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA20, which fundamentally sort of is genuinely critical, which is very huge. The kind of certainly current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money by and large is at $170,732,601, exhibiting that the very current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in every practical sense truly is at $170,732,601, which for the most part generally is very huge in a very enormous manner. 24 December 2023, in this video we will walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for sort of especially 1 week from now and explicitly sincerely attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified pressing issues, facts, what certainly for the most part is entirely all plans and purposes, momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money. For the most part in a real sense is BCH a by and large kind of wise speculation. Pretty beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on, which explicitly in every practical sense is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to jumping certainly beautiful profound into the BCH specialized examination, generally explicitly let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations, which in a real sense shows that however prior to plunging decently commonly profound into the BCH specialized investigation. In a real sense let us in a real sense essentially discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there very was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,678,108,084,033 in a kind of sort of huge manner, in a sort of enormous manner. The very complete exchanging volume basically remains at $59,916,753, which quite is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in an especially exceptionally large manner amazingly. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24%, or so they essentially thought incredibly. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time period, or so they in a real sense thought. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB in every way that really matters, is somewhere near 0.23 and presently exchanging at $269.10 in a kind of especially significant manner in a significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem in an essentially especially enormous way in a very significant manner. These occasions especially in a real sense show that the market basically essentially is going in a pretty genuinely descending heading for genuinely present moment, so BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA20 in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking in a sort of significant manner. As of now, an especially broad especially sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction quite are significant specialized markers used to explicitly distinguish commonly sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a quite large way. Support certainly explicitly is a level at which purchasers explicitly in a real sense become certainly considerably more actually genuinely dynamic and vary all expectations and purposes, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum all things considered, basically has seen a cost increment of 0.1% coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought, or so they basically thought. Similarly, opposition certainly explicitly is a level at which dealers by and large become move really dynamic and in every practical sense, most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part shows that the reasonably genuinely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money explicitly is at $170,732,601. Exhibiting that the ongoing exchanging volume of Bitcoin money for the most part basically is at $170,732,601 in an unpretentious manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The very current Bitcoin money cost actually fundamentally is $231.28, with an exchanging volume of $170,732,601 in the essentially beyond 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin money generally fundamentally has a medium-term opposition at $119.28 in a sort of huge manner. Which certainly is very critical. Presently, BCH entirely is somewhere near 0.13% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,531,868,678 United States dollars, showing how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA20 in a sort of kind of huge way. Bitcoin Money Value Investigation BCH Cost Examination for 24 December 2023, inside a fundamentally genuinely day-to-day time period in every practical sense, sort of made sense of beneath, which for the most part shows that Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense truly has a strength of 16.33%, or so they truly thought. We utilize pretty most certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving fundamentally especially normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving decently genuinely normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Bitcoin money. Or so they truly thought, which in every practical sense is very huge. While BCH's Williams %R marker by and large sort of is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, extremely signal for the most part explicitly is actually quite conceivable at this reach. Exhibiting that while BCH's Williams %R pointer generally really is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, commonly lovely sign explicitly is truly conceivable at this reach, which in every practical sense, fundamentally is genuinely huge incredibly. The genuinely relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the BCH coin especially generally is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of especially is at 25, or so they in every practical sense thought, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The NACD line in a real sense in every way that really matters is remaining underneath of the kind of by and large sign line after a hybrid in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money financial backers need to generally sit tight for